Hey y'all, it's your girl Shalicia coming at you with a new review. I haven't done like an eyeshadow palette review since last year, I want to say. And I think the last one I did was maybe the Ace Beauté palette. Maybe. But I know I did the Jackie Aina. I'll leave my reviews of eyeshadow, some reviews up above if you're interested in seeing my thoughts on these items or whatever. Because I find that, people out in YouTube world are only reviewing the newest and hottest things, And if you're not getting the new, then you can almost not find reviews on it. Like you will find reviews like from 4 years ago, 5 years when they first released, but nothing new and like recent, Because sometimes people change their style, change their technique. So when they were hating it back then, but never did a new review on it, you're gonna think the palette's trash and whatever. So your girl is gonna start reviewing some stuff on her channel that are new, old, all in between, because I will review what I want, and hopefully they'll be linked down below if they're still available. And it's more like for people that, sometimes you're in these like Facebook groups and they'll be selling palettes brand new that they've never used, and you're like, oh, that's not even in the store anymore. I wonder what reviews are, but you can't find any because nobody's revealing anything. So your girl's out here trying to help you people out, you guys, because homegirl be seeing all these random stuff, and I'm like trying to find a review and there's no reviews on it because it's too old. And we have these stuff in our collection, so I thought I'd review this anyway. So if you want to see reviews from me, your girl Shalicia, subscribe to your channel, subscribe to my channel, not your channel. But if you do have a channel, leave it down in the comments down below, and I'll definitely check it out and subscribe. We're out here to support each other. Follow me on all my social media. It'll be all listed down below. Hit that notification bell, because I heard YouTube does this thing where you don't get to hear, well, not hear, see your subscriptions like on a regular. So if you're interested, hit that notification bell and give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more reviews from me. Alright, now getting into the video. This is the Huda Beauty Desert Dusk palette. I purchased mine on Sephora eons ago. It's not even on the Sephora website anymore. Alright? But I was looking like a couple days ago, so it should still be on the website. But it is on the Huda Beauty's website. I'm going to do some swatches of it, not all of them, because I could fit them all in there. We'll see. Because I'm about to go to Sephora to go pick up some items, because who am I? I'm always shopping. Well, that's another video. But yeah, this is the Huda Beauty Desert Dust palette. It has 18 shadows. There's 8 mattes, 6 pressed pearls, 3 duochrome toppers, and 1 darling glitter, as it says on the back. Okay? It comes with a nice size mirror, but I'm not going to blind you with it. But this is the palette. If you know your girl is into warm shadows. If not, now you know. Your girl likes warm shadows. I really don't mess with the cool tones too much. I like to buy them, but I'm like, why did I do that? I don't really like cool tone shadows. I try to step out my comfort zone. It doesn't really happen very often. Because if you ever get to watch a video with my daughter's in the background, she will give you commentary on how I only like neutral colors, and she doesn't understand why I keep buying eyeshadow palettes. Neither do I, but that's besides the point. So this is the palette right here. I used this palette to create this look today. I will link a couple tutorials up above and maybe in the description of tutorials I've used with this palette recently. So this is it right here. On my crease, I have Eden and Blazing. And on my lid, I have Angelic. It's such a nice palette. Let me do some swatches for you. I do find with the matte shadows, they do have some kick up. So, yeah. Be aware of that. So this is Blazing. Right there. Next is Saffron. Right there. I'll do the mattes first in the palette. This is Amber. Right there. Your girl can't do swatches for nothing. And this is Musk. I'm not going to swatch them all. because some of them, well, maybe I will, we'll see. And this is Musk. Right there. Let me redo my fingers so they are clean for the next set. And then I think, and the only other matte is Desert Sand, which I don't think I've ever actually used because I don't really like highlight with a matte shade. But that's it right there. That would be a really nice under your brow highlight, tear duct, lid color, depending on the kind of look you're going for. Then we have Turkish Delight. That's such a pretty shade. I honestly haven't used it before, and now that I'm looking at it, I feel like that's going to be my next tutorial that I use. There's Cosmo, which is like their glitter, so it's not really going to do a decent swatch. But it's like a topper right there. And my nails are so long, guys, like, I don't know how I'm going to do these swatches and make them, like, look decent, you know. Hold on. Okay. Angelic is on my lid, right? So it's right there. Can you see? It's like a nice shifty, like, duochrome. Cashmere is another pretty one. Right there. We have Retrograde. Right there. Amethyst. Yo, honestly, I don't know how people do swatches and make them look so pretty. I am not that coordinated yet. But if you have any tips on how to make them look more coordinated on your hand, leave your girl a comment down below. Any feedback would be greatly appreciated. What did I finish off with? That was Amethyst. This is Royal. And if you know your girl loves purple, ooh, I might want to play with that too. Royal and Turkish Delight are like calling my name right now. And hold on, where are we at? Okay, we got Twilight. Right there. Nefertiti. Right there. Celestial. Right there. And Ode is the last one. Yep. And I guess this is a matte too. Hold on. I didn't even realize it had a little shimmer to it. Right there. It's really nice, like chocolatey brown. Honestly, guys, I love this palette. I know this is like not the longest review because I don't think any reviews need to be over 10 minutes, to be honest. Unless it's like something like you're like doing like a wear test kind of review. You know what I mean? But if you have this palette in your collection, let me know your thoughts on it. I would love to hear it. I think my favorite shades in this palette are the more like shifting colors like Angelic and Retrograde. Those are the ones I've used the most in the past, right? I definitely think I'm going to come back with a couple of tutorials showcasing more shadows from this, more looks with this palette, because honestly, I feel like people sleep on this. Like, it's not a palette that you see out on YouTube anymore or Instagram, and it definitely needs its recognition because it's such a lovely palette. Like I said, if you have a this palette, leave a comment down below on your thoughts on it. If you like it, if you want to see more tutorials, definitely let me know in the comments down below as well, because your homegirl is really feeling this palette. it was in my last favorites video. It's probably going to be my next one too, because I really am enjoying this palette. But I will see y'all in another video real soon. Definitely subscribe so you can see more content from me, because your girl is on a roll this month. Okay, May is basically over, but still, I'm on a roll. Alright, toodles.